found out that the house was built in 2005. Being 20 years old already, we were just like, okay, well, we probably need to get something new. And at the farmer's market, we saw Pure Energy. Seeing that the windows were not good, and we saw that Pure Energy was out there. Very nice guy. We kind of had just some questions, and he kind of just said, yeah, you know, we'll come out there. It was a good time, and yeah. The windows are great. People come and ask me like, hey man, like why does your window have a slight tint to it, right? They want to get that too. And I'm just like, it's because there's argon gas in it. And this summer has been like so comfortable for us. Following year, we went back to the farmer's market, saw the guy, and we were like, yeah, you guys do doors, right? And he was just like, yeah, we do doors. When the salesman came, which was the same salesman that we had the first time with the windows, but just knowing everything is gonna get replaced. Like you're gonna have everything that's underneath, the weather stripping. My wife picked the whole thing out. Yeah, it was beautiful.